A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to 7th class IIT Chemistry online class. Today, we will discuss about 4th and 5th states of matter.
Very precious scientists Satyendranath Bose and Albert Einstein. A very interesting scientific concept, Bose-Einstein condensed state. BEC, or the fifth state of matter. The Bose-Einstein condensed state has been recently created in the microgravity of the International Space Station. Let's understand what is fifth state of matter or Bose-Einstein condensed state and why its creation is a beginning achievement. In our daily life, we knew the three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. The fourth state is plasma, high energy state, and it is occurs high energy state, lightning and core of a star. So, how did the fifth state come into being? In 1920, Indian scientist Satyendranath Bose gives some idea as the fifth state of matter. Albert Einstein detected new state of matter, that Bose-Einstein condensed state. How Bose-Einstein condensed state are created? We know the word condensed state in the previous classes. Yes, think about the process of condensation. Water vapor changes into water. Water vapor changes into water is called the condensation. Okay. It happens due to the loss of energy. These gases really excited when the lose energy slow down. ఎప్పుడైతే వాటర్ని హీట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆవిరి వాటర్ డ్రాప్స్ లాగా మారుతుందో దాన్ని కండెన్సేషన్ అంటారు. సంథింగ్ వాటర్ చేంజెస్ ఇంటూ వాటర్ వేపర్. సేమ్ థింగ్ Bose-Einstein condensation. ఇక్కడ లో టెంపరేచర్, దట్ మీన్స్ కంప్లీట్ జీరో స్టేజ్లో ఈ కండెన్సేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. దాన్ని Bose-Einstein condensation అంటారు. ఆటమ్స్ క్లమ్స్ టుగెదర్ అండ్ లాస్ ఆల్ దేర్ ఎనర్జీ డిఫరెన్సెస్ బిట్వీన్ Bose-Einstein condensation అండ్ ప్లాస్మా స్టేట్. ప్లాస్మా స్టేట్ అనేది హై టెంపరేచర్లో ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లైటనింగ్ అంటే ఉరుములు, మెరుపులు. Bose-Einstein condensation అంటే చాలా లో టెంపరేచర్లో జరుగుతుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ 0 degrees ఆర్ అబ్సల్యూట్ టెంపరేచర్లో అన్నమాట. నౌ మైండ్ మ్యాప్ ఆఫ్ ద నేచర్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాటర్. మ్యాటర్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ 2 types, physical change and chemical change. Again physical change divided into 3 states. మనకు తెలిసినవే సాలిడ్, లిక్విడ్ అండ్ గ్యాస్. నౌ కెమికల్ చేంజ్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ 2 types, ప్యూర్ సబ్స్టాన్సెస్ అండ్ ఇంప్యూర్ సబ్స్టాన్సెస్. ప్యూర్ సబ్స్టాన్సెస్ ఆర్ అగైన్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ 2 types, ఎలిమెంట్ అండ్ కాంపౌండ్. ఎలిమెంట్ మీన్స్ metals, non-metals and metalloids. And impure substances are mixtures divided into 2 types, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Pure substances. Pure substances, we take sodium and copper. Some foods fixed with ratio: copper, silver, gold, glucose, etc. Some examples of pure substances: glucose contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, have fixed ratio. This is the fixed composition is called pure substances. Pure substances classified into elements and compounds. Again pure substances classified into elements and compounds. An element only one type of particle. These particles may be atoms or molecules: sodium, copper, silver, hydrogen and oxygen are some examples of elements. Some atoms having only one atom, that is sodium and copper. Some atoms having two or more atoms of same molecule, that is hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. Some atoms having two or more same atoms combining, that is hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, gas molecules, or two atoms combined together, is called compounds. Examples: water, ammonia, carbon dioxide, sugar. Water molecule having two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Similarly, a molecule of carbon dioxide contains two oxygen atoms and one carbon atom. Thus, these atoms are different in a compound. Fix different ratio. Ratio ante water molecule lo two hydrogen molecules, one oxygen atom. That means 2:1 ratio. That is called the H2O. 2:1. For example, oxygen and hydrogen are gases but water is liquid. Now, definition of matter. The following is nature of matter. Atoms that have protons, neutrons, electrons and a nucleus consist of matter. It generally exists in a 4 states: solid, liquid, gases and plasma state. The universe itself is a matter. Not all forms of energy are matter. Proof of first characteristic of particles of matter. We know the particles have empty space between them. We will do the simple activity to prove this statement. Take a small glass, pour some water into the glass, fill it off. Now use the marker, put the mark, then take a spoon of sugar crystals. That sugar settle down and hold it. Sugar having not space between them, that molecules have closely packed. Then the molecular level is it. But maybe water molecules are closely packed. That time sugar crystals settle upper part of the water. Yes, reacting of sugar crystals to the bottom of beaker is a proof that particles of water have empty space between them. Still not convinced. Let us continue the activity further. Stir the glass rod. Sugar crystals are disappear. Where did sugar crystals go? In our home, we see the sugar or salt mix in a water will get disappear. Check the level watermark. The level of watermark also did not rise. Yes, it was mixing the sugar. Sugar is solid, closely packed molecules, but water is liquid, loosely packed. The empty space covered with sugar molecules. That is why water level is not rise up. Okay? And less gravitational force. So, we can't see the sugar crystals in the water with naked eye. Sugar crystals did not add anything to the volume of water. There is a limit on quantity of sugar which water can absorb without increasing its volume. But this is true for all matter. Water molecules are loosely packed. Yes, but sugar crystals are closely packed. Intermolecular space is very low in the sugar crystals, but water molecules intermolecular space is very high. That's why water is easily flow. Which are flow easily, that is called the fluids. Examples: gas molecules and liquid particles. And sugar crystals are disappeared. We know that sugar crystals closely packed. That is why that empty space is filled with sugar molecules. That is the reason of the disappear of sugar crystals in the water molecules. Yes, there is a limit on quantity of sugar which water can absorb without increasing its volume. But this is true for all matters. Again listen ma. Classification of matter. Matter, anything in the world that have mass and occupies space, that can exist in three states: solid, liquid and gas. It is divided into pure substances and mixture. A pure substances, matter that has a fixed chemical composition and chemical properties. Two or more substances are mixed together is called mixture. Example, air. Air is composition of nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor and noble gases. Then we can say that air is mixture of all gases. But this composition of nitrogen, oxygen and water vapor are examples of pure substances. Also, pure substances can be divided into two categories. A substance that cannot be broken down into chemically simpler components are called elements. Example, soda can. Gold is used in jewelry. These are the examples of elements. On the other hand, the substances composed of two or more elements is called compound. Example is water. Is composed elements hydrogen and oxygen. And sugar, it is composed in carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Now the other one is mixture, also divided into two categories. These are homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous, which is the composition of its constituents, is uniformly mixed. Homogeneous mixture is a solution. We add sugar that is totally dissolved are the examples of homogeneous mixture. Water with sugar and gasoline are examples of homogeneous mixtures. Now, heterogeneous mixture is non-uniform mixture in which the components separate and the composition varies. An example is filtration, easily separated water and sand by using filter paper. Some more examples of heterogeneous mixture: salads, rocks and oil water mixtures. Heterogeneous mixtures involving at least one fluid and separate it if they are left stand along enough. States of matter. Each living being have breath, inhale and exhale. Life is not possible due to in presence of oxygen in air and water. We need energy which is supplied to the body by food we eat. To lift constantly, we are using substances in different physical states around us. We are all different kinds of matter. What is matter? Matter is defined as anything that has mass and occupied space. Everything that around us is made up of matter. It is made up of atoms. Classification of matter. In nature, matter exists in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. All three forms of matter is made up of very small particles which exist in the tendency. These particles are called molecules. The arrangement of molecules provide shape and volume to any matter, intermolecular force and intermolecular space. As a child, you must played with building blocks and made different shapes of changing their arrangements. In a similar manner, molecules are the building blocks of matter. And different states of matter are due to difference in arrangement of molecules. Molecules attract each other. Force of attraction in between molecule is called intermolecular force of attraction. In a similar manner, the space between any two molecules is called intermolecular space. Solids. Molecules are closely packed in a solid with little, no intermolecular space but very high intermolecular force of attraction. The molecules cannot move that vibrates. Their cases, molecules presents less energy. In a solid, properties and reasons for exhibiting the properties have a definite shape and occupy definite space. That is, solids have a fixed volume. Reason: since molecules are closely packed, they have intermolecular space and strong intermolecular force of attraction. Solids cannot flow, for example, rock. Reason: due to the strong intermolecular force, they cannot flow. Solids are incompressible. Reason: not there in between space. Molecules cannot move closer to each other. As a result, solids are incompressible. Solids have any no free surfaces depending upon their shape. Reason: solids are those substances which have definite shape and volume. They are non-compressible, cannot flow, and therefore have any no of free surfaces. Liquids. In case of liquids, the molecules are not tightly packed and their position is not fixed as compared to molecules. In solid state, these molecules presents more energy in compression and compared to solids. These are the greater intermolecular space and lesser intermolecular force of attraction. The attraction between molecules is less, but so left they move any direction, they can easily slide over each other and exchange, even change their places. Properties and reasons for exhibiting the properties. Liquids don't have a definite shape but take the shape of the container. They are kept. Reason: as a molecules of liquids are not tightly packed, they can move easily by taking the shape of container. But liquids have fixed volume. When we say half a cup milk, how much space occupied it? Similarly, we take cup of water, you know how much water consumed. Have a general idea of liquids. Reason: since intermolecular force of attraction is not very less compared to the solids, the molecules remain at a approximate distance. Liquids flow higher level to low level under normal conditions. Here, intermolecular force of attraction is very high. Liquids have compressed because they have fixed volume. Liquids, unlike solids, have only one free surface. Reason: since liquids have to be take a shape of the container on three sides, they are bound. Fourth side is free space. Fact: this is a fourth state of matter is called plasma, but it is not often seen. It only exists at very high temperature on inside the sun and other stars, or on earth at low pressures. At it consists of atoms split up by great heat or electricity. Thus, any material at definite volume but not definite shape. Activity: take a small cup filled with water and glass bowl and a coffee flask. Note the shape of the water in the cup. It has one flat free surface as shown in figure. Now invert the cup in a glass bowl. You will find that water flows into the bowl and takes the shape of the bowl, but its top surface is free and flat. Pour the water from the bowl of coffee flask. You will find that water flows into the flask and takes the shape of the flask and it has flat surface. Now again pour water, coffee flask to the cup. What do you observe? The cup again gets filled and water takes the shape of the cup. Gases. In this state of matter, molecules are far about each other. There is maximum internal molecular space and maximum intermolecular force of attraction. Molecules possess high energy and move freely in all directions. Properties and reasons for exhibiting the properties. Gases have no definite shape. They take the shape of the container, vessel. Then, what is the differences between gases and liquids? Gases occupy every bit of space available. So, while you can say give me a cup of tea, but you cannot say give me a cup of air. Reason: as there very less attraction between gases molecules. They move anywhere. Air occupies space. Activity: take an empty glass tumbler and lower it vertically downward direction in a cup of water. It is not easy to push it down. Yes, when you tilt the glass, bubbles of air escape out and water enters the glass. First of all, why was the difficult to push the glass? An empty glass is not empty, but it is full of air. When you push an inverted glass, air releases entry to the glass. This activity proves that air occupies space, but it has volume, that is not fixed volume. Gases have definite volume. Reason: gases has large intermolecular space between them. Gases can flow any direction because of negligible intermolecular force of attraction between their molecules. Gases have intermolecular force of attraction between their molecules. Activity: take an empty glass bottle and pour few drops of perfume in it. Smell the bottle. You will be able to smell the perfume. Now place this bottle in your drawing room and leave it undisturbed for a few minutes, you will observe that the whole room is filled with the smell of perfume. From this activity, we conclude that gases have no definite volume. They have a property to fill the entire space available to them. Gases are highly compressible. Reason: molecules in between space is very high, that intermolecular space high, that compressible also very high. What does the mechanic do when he fills the air of tube? He allows compressed to air. Gases have no free surface. Reason: if you keep the gas in a container, then to avoid the escaping the gas, you must seal the container. Example: LPG cylinder at home is sealed as it contains to cooking. Hence, gas is no free surface. Comparative study of the properties of solids, liquids and gases. Property: solid, liquid, gas. Shape: fixed, no fixed shape, no fixed shape. Arrangement: very tightly packed, loosely packed, very loosely packed. Force of attraction: very strong, strong, negligible. Intermolecular space: negligible, medium, maximum. Volume: definite, definite, no definite. Compressibility: non-compressible, can be compressed slightly, can be compressed easily.
Dear students, I hope all are understood today's topics. Your homework is properties of 3 states of matter. Thank you and God bless you all.